Hey guys. Here, America's most favorite face mask. Bestseller ranked 1 in Amazon. The black masks come in a box of 50 for your daily needs. They are disposable, but thick enough and well made to get more than one use from them. They fit well over your chin and they are adjustable for a snug fit over the nose, giving them a fog-free fit for glasses when adjusted properly. Don't forget to subscribe the channel to watch more videos. These masks are super easy to breathe in. They don't form close to your mouth. These are multi-layered masks. Wire insert in nose piece. That helps cut down on my glasses fogging. These masks are super comfortable to wear. Nice large size with a pretty sturdy metal wire for pinching against the top of your nose, so no threat of the masks falling and exposing the nose. Breathable material, and, if aesthetics are important to you, these black ones are comparatively attractive. More hygienic than the stifling reusable cloth masks that everyone's aunt seems to be making these days. These masks fit well and stay put, without being sucked towards the face even during a rigorous workout on the treadmill. Links are provided in the description. It is made of 3-ply layers and premium non-woven fabric, can better block the small particles in air and filter it. This face mask is designed with elastic ear loop, and the length can be adjusted. Breathable, soft and comfortable, gentle to skin. These are disposable masks contain 50 pieces black face masks in a pack.